This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Matthew Delcombri. Set on a peaceful acre shaded by stately pecan trees in Youngsville, this beautifully restored 1930s train station offers a captivating blend of historical character and contemporary comfort. The 2,100 square foot residence features 12-foot ceilings, 4 spacious bedrooms, and 2 thoughtfully designed bathrooms. Handcrafted custom door casings, window casings, and transoms show homage to its rich past, while the original cypress hardwood floors run like warm echoes through the home. At the heart of the home is a stunning kitchen island, its cypress face adorned with a preserved 1930s Times-Picayune newspaper seal, a striking tribute to the era and a true conversation piece. The large master suite boasts a luxurious walk-in shower and soaking tub, adding a touch of spa indulgence to the home's timeless feel. Flood-free and structurally sound, the property presents not just charm, but reassurance. This station may no longer echo with the sounds of locomotives, but its spirit rolls on with grace and character. Whether you're a history buff, a lover of Southern charm, or simply seeking an extraordinary place